Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG for short. What is it and why is it so important for LLMs?
To understand why RAG is essential for something like ChatGPT, let's first get an understanding of how ChatGPT or other LLMs are trained. LLMs are generally trained offline with billions of tokens in static datasets, and after this training is concluded, the weights are frozen. With the weights being frozen, the model technically has a knowledge cutoff date. Like for GPT-4 Turbo, this cutoff date was April 2024, and technically any information following this date the model would have no understanding of. And this is where RAG comes in to save the day. RAG is a process for fetching relevant, up-to-date information based on a user's prompt.
So let's take this prompt I gave ChatGPT. I said, who will be the mayor of New York City in 2026? ChatGPT is very sophisticated and knows that it was not trained on this information. So what it'll do is search the web and retrieve information for this prompt. You can see in the bottom right, it says Wikipedia as the source.
RAG is important for a private business as well because LLMs are not trained on their data. So if you are trying to build these coherent systems that involve LLMs, it will need some way to fetch this information. There is also not one specific RAG design that's universally good for all situations. There's different metrics in different systems that have trade-offs. Some metrics that are generally important with a good RAG system is fetching data that is relevant to the prompt without destroying the latency. Something like ChatGPT would have an extremely sophisticated RAG system, but other systems that you would design maybe within a company do not need to be as complex.